Hello everybody, welcome to this Minecraft item sorter video. I'm Norwegian, just a little heads up, so my English won't be fluent. Anyways, this is probably the only working item sorter on YouTube for Minecraft 1.7 and upwards versions, newer versions, sorry. Anyways, it's based on using the hoppers and chests, of course, and the inversion of the redstone torches. So first of all, I will need to know how the hoppers works, because that's the reason the last ones was broken. For example, the settlings was broken recently, so I decided to come up with my own design. So I put these lights here just to show where the redstone signal is. So when the lights here shows, this hopper here will also be powered. So when our hopper is powered, it won't obtain new items. For example, this yellow stained clay. So if I now turn on this and turn off this, it will start obtaining yellow stained clay. So as you will see. Okay, so as you see, it stops, it won't go into the chest underneath because I locked the hopper. And here we go. Okay, let's just stop it here. Okay, we have 8 clay here and 56 in this one. So when I turn off the power for this hopper, it will go into the chest. Just, yeah, as you see. So that's kind of the concept here. So another part of this concept is that this dragging mechanism of the hopper is more powerful than the pulling or drawing mechanism of the hopper. So this might be hard to understand, so I'll show you a little clip of that. Okay, so as you will see, we have some orange stained clay, and we'll put it into this chest. And in the later versions, the orange stained clay will go into the first chest, because the chest's power to draw is bigger than the hoppers. So as you might think, it would be in here, but unfortunately it won't. So here is the clay in the bottom hopper. Okay, so as you see, this concept is based on the dragging power. So I want like the items to stop here and have the ability to go into the chest, and then if there's no room for the items, it will keep going downwards. The cons of this machine is that it takes really long before it gets into the chests. So just to show you, here is my my timer. So it takes 12 seconds because I had 10 light blue stained clay inside. And I think each item takes approximately 1.2 seconds, so it would be 12 seconds. So let's just pop it up to 32, and we'll go back here. So we have to do this when this light is on. If you don't, it's going to be broken. But on the original machine I have made that, so you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about putting items in the chest when this light's on. Okay, so let's try. Okay, we'll have to wait for the light to get on. Okay, so there we go. I'll put in 16 just to show you an example. As you see, it won't go into the dropper because of the light block. So yeah, we'll have to base it on this light source. Okay, now it's stopped and it won't go into here because this chest is full. The lights turned off. This one turns on, so we block this hopper from receiving any blocks. So it will stay here, but this one's full too. So we'll have to wait until this switch opens this one, and let the items go into this hopper, and then block this hopper. So it stops here because this hopper here is blocked. Okay, here we go, and now you see the orange stained clay will go into here. Okay, so that's kind of the main concept. The back side of this is actually pretty simple. I'll show you an example of it pretty soon, but I'm just going to give you a quick overview first. So here's the concept. This timer flicks when you see. There you go. It gave it this torch is being set on fire right fire. This is a lit torch now, and it will give out a redstone input. We'll see. Okay, so when this is lit on, it will give a signal to this block, which will then power the piston here, which out gives a signal to turn off this redstone torch, which then turns on this redstone torch, and then gives a signal to this. This is a T flip-flop made by Ito. The timer is made by Ito as well. I'll put his name and link to YouTube channel in description. So here we see this is a comparator which understands it checks the container if it contains any items. As you'll see, it's now lit. Yeah. So when it gives out when the item is moved over here, it will give out a signal. Turn on this comparator, turn on this piston, and then give a signal over here, and yeah, turn on the lamps. So it's kind of the same here, just that I made it a little bigger. Here you'll see this looks more advanced, but it really is actually more. I think this is more simple than this one because it doesn't use any pistons. Yeah. So here's a 32 block delay. The important, well, I would gotta say this item sorter might skip some, just a few, sometimes like 1 out of a 64 stack. Okay, so I've now filled up these chests with different block types, sand clay, lime, redstone block, light blue, and an empty chest for junk. So, as I said, a little pretentious of the items will not go into the right chest because the flicker light might have probably 0.2 seconds difference, and it destroys the entire concept. But I will make a new version of this. But anyhow, here's how it works. Yeah, okay, this chest here is supposed to move my items into this item elevator, which would then move it into this chest, and if the chest is full of crap, it will keep moving downwards. So as you see here, I have like, so it's the hopper beneath is powered because I wanted to stop letting items inside the chests when the top torch is not working. So that's the concept. It's the same concept as I said. You can only put in items when the light, when it's the redstone lamp is lit, but we don't have to worry about that. I also was thinking of putting a redstone lamp on top here, but we won't be able to open the chest. Okay, so I'll put in every single item in my inventory and we'll see how it works. Okay, so I think we're done. Right here is the leftovers, and as you see, one limestone clay mist out of approximately 3 stacks. Yeah, and orange tin clay, 1 out of 21. Yeah, so here you see it is 1, 2, 4, 6, approximately 7 stacks, and only 20 pair of glass stained glass mist, so I think that's a pretty good percentage. I don't think I will go any deeper into the entire sorting system, but if you want like a tutorial how to build it from scratch, there, just write in the comments. Remember to subscribe, and I'll post a video if it's requested. Anyways, that's it for today. My name is Stanley. Please leave a like, subscribe, and post a comment. Goodbye, everyone.